It's June, the land is burning at 45 degrees Celsius, the wind feels like fire, you touch a metal tap, it's so hot enough to sting, but then you pull water from a hand pump or well and it feels like ice. That one moment hides one of Earth's greatest secrets, the temperature paradox beneath our feet. We think of Earth as hot volcanoes, magma, the fiery core, but the upper crust of our planet behaves differently. Above it dances with sunlight and seasons, below it sleeps in silence. As you dig deeper, something magical happens, the temperature stops changing. At around 10 to 15 meters, which becomes 30 to 50 feet, beneath the ground, the Earth enters what scientists call the constant temperature zone. No matter what season it is, the air may burn or freeze, but that underground would stay steady. It's like time has stopped there. To understand why, imagine sunlight as a wave of energy. When it hits the ground, it begins to penetrate downward, but soil and rocks act like thick blankets. They absorb, scatter and block heat from traveling too far. Only the first few feet feel the daily ups and downs of temperature. By 10 to 15 feet deeper, the sunlight's thermal energy is almost gone. Below that level, the Earth's temperature remains around 10 to 15 degrees Celsius throughout the year. This temperature is actually influenced more by Earth's average annual temperature than by the current weather. Let us go scientific for a moment. Heat on Earth's surface moves downward mainly by conduction, the process where energy transfers from molecules to molecule, but the thermal conductivity of soil is very low, and its heat diffusivity, the rate at which temperature changes speed, is slow. So when summer's heat strikes the surface, the upper layer warms quickly, but the deeper layers resist this change. It's like trying to heat a mountain with a matchstick. The deeper rock never notices. Hence, when you draw water from deep below, it has not felt the summer heat at all. Now think of rain. Every drop that seeps into the soil travels down through porous rocks, slowly losing heat to its surroundings. By the time it reaches the aquifer, the underground water bracing layer, it has reached thermal equilibrium with the Earth, that stable, cool zone. When you pump it up in June, you are pulling water from that ancient, untouched environment, a cold, calm world hidden beneath the chaos of summer. Here is the human side perception. Our skin senses contrast, not absolute temperature. When the air is 40 degrees Celsius and your body is sweating, water from underground, even at 18 degrees Celsius, feels icy. In reality, it is not freezing cold, it is just much cooler temperature, much cooler compared to your heat surroundings. This temperature contrast tricks your nervous and creates that instant refreshing shock, a direct physical experience of Earth's thermal stability. Here is the twist. In winter, when everything above freezes, that same underground zone feels warm. Why? Because the Earth beneath is still maintaining that same 10 to 15 degrees Celsius temperature. So whether it is June fire or December frost, the underground stays nearly constant, a silent graduation of balance. If you looked at Earth through thermal sensors, you will see a wave of temperature trying to move down from the surface. Scientists call this the thermal wave. In summer, this wave moves downward, and in winter it moves upward, but it fades exponentially with depth. Mathematically, after about 15 meters, the wave dies out completely. That's why basements, caves and tunnels remain cool in summer and mild in winter. The Earth literally filters out the seasons. The entire crust of Earth acts like a giant air conditioning system powered by physics alone. No fans, no electricity, just thermal inertia and geological insulation. It's the same principle used in geothermal heating systems, where engineers use underground pipes to regulate temperature in buildings, drawing on the Earth's constant underground coolness. Final thought, the living heat of the planet. So next time you touch that cool underground water in summer, remember you are touching the steady pulse of the planet, a reminder that beneath the chaos of heat, storms and seasons, Earth holds a calm, stable heart that never loses balance. That's why cold water emerges from underground in summer, because the earth itself is the perfect natural thermal engineer.